All right, and here it is, folks. The Milwaukee 6-tool kit combo from Home Depot for Labor Day Special 2021. Now, I'm already a Milwaukee user. Here I have my trusty 12-volt impact driver, and we also have the Fuel 18 one. I'm excited to actually get this because I purchased it exactly for the hacksaw, for the grinder, for the multi-tool, and obviously for the saw. We already have these two, but for the price that we got it for, it'd be literally like if we just paid for 3 tools and we got actually 6. Now I'm a little disappointed because it said that it came with an extra battery kit. They didn't want to honor it. I guess it was an online special. So what they did was they gave us an additional discount that we cannot disclose because it's on a personal basis. But if you could see, I have not seen any video or pictures of the boxes and what it includes online or on YouTube anywhere. So that is why, before I unbox this behemoth, I am doing a video so that you guys know what the box looks like, the tools that it has, okay, and give you guys a better bird's eye view. Okay, there you go. So, stay tuned for the unboxing. So there you have it. These are all the instruction manuals and actually extra little tools that come with the kit. Obviously, I do want to make a recommendation to you, Milwaukee. Please include more batteries. Don't give me 6 tools and only 2 batteries, even though I appreciate the high output or the big 3.0 battery. And I appreciate the regular 1.5. I know that this was advertised with 2 5.0 batteries, but again, it was only an internet special, so please pay attention to that. So we got a little cash discount on it, which, you know, I'm not complaining, but these are all of the tools. One thing that I did notice from a lot of people online, a lot of people say that a lot of the saws don't come with the guard, with the cut guard. Well, this one does, and it's actually a metal one. So, pretty nice. And I also already charged the batteries. Obviously, the charger is right there. I'm going to do a demonstration tool by tool. I just wanted all you guys to see the unboxing and all of the goodies that you receive from Milwaukee. Fantastic.